My love, more than 12 years ago, you came into my life when I was not looking for love. A little over a year later, when you had just gotten a job, you asked me to marry you.
Tahan na, nandito ka na. Di na tayo
Love, natuman na gid ato nga pangandoy nga makasalta sa church. Love, I love you and see you niya sa church.
Kay lakas ng ulan, kay ganda mong tingnan, kailan pa kita
My love,
nakilala.
ihatag ka sa Diyos, isip akong kapikas sa kinabuhi.
Hindi masaya.
Nagasaad ako nga magpuyo, nga adunay kahadlok ug gugma sa Diyos.
Dito ka na, kay kanta ng langit at ng iyong mata sa gitna ang ilaw ng ating syudad sa ngayon.
You were already a good husband and father, but I appreciated you even more last year. I was a full-time mama and the self-review bar examinee during the day and the litigation assistant at night. Most days, I only slept 2 to 3 hours when you were not around. I was very exhausted and easily got upset. But you were always understanding and patient.
Tayong dalawa.
Magpabilin ako, anaa para nimo sa tanang kaimtangan sa kinabuhi. Nagasaad ako nga respetuhon ka, ampingan ka, o gigugmaon ka na walay kondisyon sa hangtod.
You never let me feel alone on my journey toward claiming the dot. You helped me reach my dream of becoming a lawyer. Because of you, I learned that love is not just about happy moments, but about choosing each other every single day, even in the most difficult times. Thank you for loving me patiently and faithfully, for believing in me and for being my strength when I felt weak. Today, I promise to continue choosing you through every challenge, every joy, and every season of our lives.
Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pagkailangan na, tingin ko lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa
promise to stand beside you, support you, and build a life filled with love for you and our family. I am proud to be your wife, and I will choose and love you for the rest of my life.
Nang may kapal